Howdy everyone, it's Jordan with Equity Insurance Group. Today, I want to talk about the home policy. Given natural disasters that occur every day, like widespread wildfires, hail and windstorms, there is no time like the present to reevaluate your home policy coverage. With that in mind, what we want to share today is the difference between rebuild and market value. You may be one of those lucky folks in the housing boom, and you're watching your home's value increase each year. So how do you know if your coverage is adequate? Well, we can help. Here, you'll find your home. This is how a real estate agent or buyer will look at your property, otherwise known as market value. In addition to the cost of materials, market value includes the neighborhood and the city. But here, this is how your insurance might see your property, also known as rebuild value. The rebuild value won't account for other structures, the land, or personal property. This is on a general basis, and we will keep in mind there are sometimes exceptions. Now, there are multiple features on a home policy that are worth discussing, and there is generally coverage for all parts of your home if you're carrying the right endorsements. But today, let's stay focused on the main dwelling coverage. So, when it comes to determining rebuild value, insurance uses a proprietary tool called a replacement cost estimator. The estimator will take into account the materials, labor, and in some cases, the debris removal. Think of this estimation as the solid physical costs, whereas market value will also include the soft costs, not just the cost to physically rebuild, but also how it feels, where it is. The market value of your home is heavily influenced on the location, your neighbors, your city, even your views. So a lot more goes into how much a buyer is willing to pay for your home than just the solid physical costs. It's also worth mentioning that when you weigh your net worth and assets, it is the market value you should use rather than the rebuild value. So final thoughts here. In summary, your market value generally does differ from your rebuild costs. Market value may be higher, it may be lower. It also changes in different territories, between eastern Colorado to the Front Range, or from east of the Mississippi to California. But your real question is, am I covered if a claim happens? So am I? That depends. Do you have an expert local agent who can help? At Equity Insurance Group, we are here to help. With branches across the country, we're helping clients across the nation. Insurance today, protecting tomorrow.